G'day and welcome to Fun with Canva. In today's tutorial, we're going to look at creating a Christmas carousel. So it's just going to be a pretty basic carousel. And what we need to do is come over to Elements and we need to choose a circle. So we'll place the circle in there. We'll enlarge it out and we'll just place it there for now. We'll keep it red as Christmas colors. And then we'll come over here and we'll choose our elements. So I'm just going to use some elements that I used before. So Santa Claus, Rudolph, Christmas tree, and a sleigh. So what we need to do is bring our elements in, and we need to place them around the corners. Not the corners, circle doesn't have corners. Around the outside of our circle. And we'll just place them in the center like that. Okay, and I'll line this one up, get the right size, like so, and I'll place that up there for now, and I'll get the sleigh, and I'll line the sleigh up, like so, and I'll place it there. Alright, then what I just want to do is I just want to make sure that in a clockwise position or direction, I have everything lined up. So I'll just line that up like that, and I'll line this one up like that, like so. Okay, and I'll line that one up like that, like so. Rotate. Okay, and I'll just push that out to there. So just do another quick check. Santa's up the right way, Christmas tree is up the right way, Rudolph's up the right way, and Carousel's up the right way. So now that we've got that, we want to start off by grouping all that together, and we'll move that over to here, and we'll keep the sleigh just in picture, and we'll put that about the center. We'll just expand that out and drop that back. Alright, so that's the carousel there. So what we want to do is we want to create a background. So I'm going to create like a gradient background. Okay, so we want to create a Christmassy theme. So green color, so I'll knock that all the way out there, and then a red color, and we'll knock that all the way sort of out there, like so. So that gives us a bit of a Christmassy background. Then what we want to do is add some text. So we come over here to text, add a heading, and we can go Santa sleigh. Alright, and then we'll just position that like so. And I'm going to drop my thumbnail into here. So I'm just going to go over here and copy that. And I'm going to paste that there. Alright, put that down in the corner. Alright, so that is the basic approach to a carousel. Then what we want to do is duplicate that page and rotate around. And then duplicate that page again and rotate around. Christmas tree, and duplicate that page one more time and rotate around. Rudolph the reindeer. Okay, so that is the text done. So in between all these, we want to add a transition, and we want to go match and move, and you can see that that rotates around like so, and we want to place between all pages. Alright, and then we want to just come on to here and drop that down to say 1.5. Alright, apply to all pages. Alright, and we'll just give it a quick test. Santa, Christmas tree, Rudolph, and there you have it. So we might just increase that to 2 and apply between all pages just so we can read it properly. Santa sleigh, Santa, Christmas tree, and Rudolph the reindeer. Okay, there you have a Christmas carousel, everyone. Thank you very much for watching the tutorial. Until next time, have fun with Canva. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, like and share, and catch you later. Bye for now.